Working with Prior, it's been a massive learning curve, and there's been so much support from my mentor, from my boss, from everybody to be able to help me just understand what I'm meant to achieve, and it just makes everything more enjoyable, and I just like to come to work, and that's what you like to do, isn't it?
Josh has worked his way up from being a maintenance apprentice. He's worked his way up into boat design, which is the design to order work. So it's a lot of custom fitting and electrical work. He's an attentive person, he's worked his way up well, and he fits well within the team. He listens well, and in the future he can either go on to becoming a commission engineer, or he can keep working in the design to order work, which is good for his background. And I think he's well deserved for this award. He's done really well this year, and all the best for the future.
In the future, I'd like to aim towards being a service engineer within Prior. For me to be able to do that, I need to focus myself in the fitting shop to be able to get those fundamental skills so I can move forward, and that's what I'd like to aspire to in the next 3 to 4 years.